Hey fellow traders, in this video we're gonna take a look at the factory calendar indicator for MT4. You can download the indicator by the link in the description below. To run the indicator, simply drag the Forex factory calendar indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart. And please don't forget to click on the Allow Daily Imports in the settings window. This calendar indicator was created to help traders by transmitting news from the internet to the trading terminal, and it has improved the trading style of many traders. In the indicator settings, you can customize the appearance of news by their importance, filter them by keywords, and of course, customize the appearance of the news panel and sound notification alerts. A single economic release such as an NFP or interest rate announcement of central bank can reverse the market trend, since prices are very vulnerable to drastic movements during news releases. The Forex factory calendar indicator provides traders with much needed warning and excellent trading opportunity. Fundamental traders can either place a buy or sell trade in advance of a news release while comparing the previous data and the anticipated data. A few other types or fundamental traders wait for the news release and then interpret them and place a trade accordingly. On the other hand, technical traders use a news release timing to either decide to hold or exit an existing position or adjust stop loss and take profit. Obviously, the Forex factory calendar indicator doesn't provide any buy or sell signals, but it assists the trader to anticipate volatility and price movement at a given time. The display of the time remaining for the next economic news release also provides the trader with much needed caution. As a result, it helps the trader to hold or exit an existing position too. In conclusion, this MT4 indicator is very valuable to both technical and fundamental Forex traders. You can download the indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye!